Hey y'all, Chantel here. Welcome and welcome back to my channel. If you like what you see, please do well to subscribe. Also, don't forget to turn on your bell icon, so whenever I post a new content, you'll be one of the first to be notified. Alrighty, thank you so much. Today's video, as you can tell from the title, is me slaying my wedding hair for Christmas. I'll let you all know all the details in the video. I know that's an information you'd like to know about, so keep on watching.
Isn't that amazing?
I'm going to be slaying today is from Yolissa Hair. Yo, the packaging is so cute, black and pink, two of my favorite colors, and we're going to do the unboxing together. I haven't opened it. It's very much sealed, as you can see. I got it about 3 days ago. I could have opened it, but I just wanted you all to see my first reaction, because this color is actually what I'm thinking of using for my wedding. I've always had this idea that I'd love to be a ginger bride in terms of hair and just be Black Arial, aka Black Little Mermaid. So this is going to be a test run. On the top flap here, you can see all their details: share your beauty, get cashback, free bundles, their YouTube handle, Instagram, Facebook, and the likes. Moving over to the content of the box, you see the start of the show first, which I'm going to show you all soon. Next is this satin bag to store the hair in. This is what it looks like. Is Yolissa 100% human hair. Love your life, love your Yolissa hair. It's a drawstring bag. Next item is this scarf. Wow, nice. A satin scarf to protect your edges. Also inside the box there is a hairbrush, a 2-in-1 hairbrush, complimentary wig cap. You also have this black band inside the box. This should be an extender for your wig. That's if the wig is tight on your head. It's very stretchy. This is a very generous box. Human hair lashes, well branded, Yolissa, an edge slayer. So cute, with the velcro thingy on both ends. Love it. The last item in the box is the thank you card. It also includes a detailed description on how to take care of your wigs and everything in between. Is the star of the show, well packaged in this transparent bag, also packaged in net and stuffed with paper so that it can retain its shape. And yo, this is the color of the wig. It's so ginger. I'm scared but also confident that it'll suit me well. Let me come closer so you guys can see. Wow, look at that luster. It's in burnt orange, ginger, call it whatever you want. 18 inches, 180% lace wig with 5x5 closure. Yeah, it feels so soft, no shedding at all. And it's actually really full for a 180% wig. This is what the lace looks like, and this is what the interior of the wig looks like. Well sewn. It's a HD closure, so it's really soft, really full for 180%. No shedding, none of that sort. It's in a layered length. You can see the front is a bit shorter than the back. Can't wait to see how it looks on me. So let's get to slaying. I have on my wig cap now, and I went on ahead to use powder and my foundation to just customize the lace. Just going to wait. Trust the process. I have it on now and it's pretty snug. I chose a large cap size because my head is somewhat big. So you have the option of choosing different sizes ranging from small to large on their website. Got to be. This part is optional though, especially for closures, because you can actually wear it without gluing it down, but I want to be extra snatched with this wig. Just going to use a brow razor to cut the excess lace. I'm done with the lace. Next, I'm going to slick everything down using the band. Wow, this feels so comfortable. I don't care. I'm in my pretty girl era. The lady that sang it, this is her signature hair color. Looking good already. Let me just use some heat on it. I'm going to go over the hair with this heat protector. I never like to go in with heat on any of my bundles or wigs or anything hair, human hair actually, without first spraying a heat protector. This is from L'Oreal. It's the Sleek Heat Iron Straight Heat Spray. I love how soft this hair is. Really good. I'm going to wear this over and over again. I'm done styling. I'm just going to quickly go do my makeup and then come back to give you all the details and do my intro and my outro actually. Y'all, this is the final look. I went on ahead to tame the edges with a wax, this one, and everything looks so beautiful. Against my skin tone, it's giving everything it's supposed to give. Can you all see? This is definitely a trial that went right, and I'm considering using this hair color for my wedding. I think my mind is already made up at this point because I love how it looks. Imagine when I have lashes on, professional makeup done and everything, hair styled in a beautiful way, then this color against my skin tone with my corals as an Igbo bride, it will look so stunning. I can't get over this hair. I'm headed to a pool party now, and this is how I'm going. I'm dressed up already and I feel so good. Hair is from Yolissa Hair. All the details are going to be in my description box. Hair quality is so nice, very soft, and it looks really nice. Really nice. Minimal to zero shedding. I'm here for it. Like I mentioned, this is a 180%, 18 inches, burnt orange straight human hair with 5x5 closure, and I love it. I think I should start using glue for my 5x5 closures. It looks so natural. I love this method. It's just that most times you're in a hurry and you don't even think of doing that. I really love the results. I love how it looks. I look very snatched, and yeah, you guys. Layered look gives it an even more beautiful style. I'm here for it. Obsessed with this hair. You can tell already, I'm sure. Thank you so much, Yolissa Hair, for sending this my way. Like I mentioned, all the details are going to be in my description box. I don't care. I'm in my pretty girl era. This color I think will be bomb on both dark and fair skinned people. It's a win-win. Thank you so much guys for watching. If you enjoyed watching, give it a thumbs up, like this video, leave your comments in the comment section. Do you think I should opt for this color for my wedding? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Share this video as well, and don't forget to check out the description box for all the details of this beautiful wig, alongside everything you need to know about Yolissa Hair, including a discount code. Yes. Thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next one. Bye.